Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with M1 Finance, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the M1 Finance app or website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the Invest tab on the main menu. Click on Invest to access your portfolio. If you don't have a portfolio yet, create one by selecting Create a new portfolio. Choose your investment strategy based on your financial goals. You can select from pre-built portfolios or create a custom one. After selecting or creating a portfolio, click on Edit to allocate your funds. Decide how much money you want to invest in each stock or asset category. You can adjust the percentages to reflect your personal risk tolerance. Once your allocations are set, click Save to confirm your changes. Next, navigate to the banking section to manage your budget. Connect your bank account to fund your investment account. Set up automatic deposits by selecting the amount and frequency. This will help you consistently invest and budget your finances. To track your spending, return to the main dashboard. Observe the details of your investments and cash allocation. Use the performance metrics provided to evaluate your progress. Regularly review and adjust your budget based on your financial goals. Start with small amounts, gradually increasing as you become comfortable. Lastly, make it a habit to check your budget and investments regularly. This will help you stay on track and meet your financial objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.